One indoor grown batch, one ruby red color, 138 steps. If it fails one gate, it doesn't ship. Stay to the end. Before the factory, it starts here, inside a vertical farm. You're about to watch the exact moment it becomes juice. Then we trace every step back to the farm.
Batch 7 confirmed. Quality check passed.
Confirmed. Make sure the spacing is consistent.
Water quality readings confirmed.
Whole melons pass through a smooth, potable water sheet that removes surface residue, followed by rotary brushes that lightly contact the...
The slurry moves through a hygienic positive displacement pump, tuned to minimize shear and oxidation.
The juice enters a high-speed centrifuge that removes fine pulp, discharging a thick.
Cleansers. If the process requires stability tuning, a microdose of food-grade vigilant is injected and mixed through a static mixer.
We verified the diversion valve interlocks and confirmed pasteurized mode. The controlled heating ensures the ruby red juice.
Aseptic surge tank fill and stabilization. The ruby red juice flows into a sterile, jacketed
Sample drawn. Lot number is 42.
Confirmed. Lot 42.
Logged in the system.
Line clearance verified. We are good to run.
Acknowledged.
Headspace nitrogen dosing protects hue and flavor. Immediately after fill, a nitrogen dosing jet displaces oxygen in the bottle headspace.
The torque is holding steady at 25 Newton meters.
Noted. I've adjusted the HMI. The speed should increase now.
Intermediate rinse and acid wash. The COP sequence transitions to a clear water rinse until conductivity returns.
See the degradation here on the gasket. Removing it now and logging the replacement part number in the system. We verified the integrity using the bubble point data. The clarity is a confirmed physical outcome.
Confirmed. We have a three-way match across the bottle, case, and pallet in the WMS.
This is our designated H-hold/review area. Should a documentation mismatch or temperature excursion ensue, pallets are immediately
Okay, handover complete, no deviations reported, and sanitation is confirmed. Shift parameters are set.
Looks good. Signing off now.
Confirmed.
Before and after clarity, same hue, controlled lab visual.
Micro Precision same watermelon, same rind verification insert. The fruit stayed consistent from farm to factory. This demonstrates no dilution through plumbing logic. The blue-coated water pipe and the sanitary stainless product line have different.
The valve seat design here is critical for preventing dead legs. See how short this sanitary runs before the drain point.
Yes, noted.
Case sealing and case coating. Cartons are sealed with tape or glue, then printed with outer case lock codes that match bottle codes for traceability.
Pre-cool verification complete. The seals look tight.
Loggers are synced and ready for the load.
We place the loggers mid-load in the front, middle, and rear zones, then scan the ID for the shipment record.
Seal number 007531 recorded.
Lot code matches the release, finalizing shipment.